Namaskar friends, this is Anupam V. Kapil, astronumerologist, wishing you a very happy new year. Friends, I am talking about annual number 1 and what this means for you in 2022. What kind of strategies should you use to succeed in life? What is going to be the mood and tone of the year? And what are the important months for your career improvements? And how will romance pan out for you in this year? And more than that, what kind of color vibrations should you use to look at your magnetic best so that you attract success and harmony and also love? So here we go. Friends, the vibrations of this year are completely solar. 1 is the first number. It talks about individual action, increasing your presence everywhere, reaching out to people, taking forceful action, being authoritarian, and above all, not being lazy and isolated. If you choose to be asocial or you don't want to mingle with people, then success will be elusive. Sun is a very powerful energy which gives light, hope, health to the entire universe. And you are blessed to have this kind of vibration coming to you in this annual year number of 1. But let me warn you, not many people, in fact, most people find the vibrations of annual number 1 very difficult because this is an element of change. You have already gone through the 9 years, 9 number vibrations during the 9 years, and suddenly when the solar vibration comes to you, because 9, the vibration which you have just left behind in the last year, is a very tough vibration. It was a vibration of separation, of leaving many things, letting many things, situations and people go from your life. So this is definitely going to be 1 year where you see a lot of newness happening in even on the job front, even on the environment front. New friends will be coming into your life, new affairs, all these kind of things will happen. Not to worry, individualize, plan, organize, be independent, but don't try to be lazy and sit alone. By all means, socialize. Now, the future of the next 9 years is going to depend upon what you are going to do in this year. So plan well, and in terms of career, I feel that this is going to be a time where you can apply for new jobs, and the eventful months which will be for you are the months of May, July and September. And if you want to ask for favors from your bosses or from important people, the day of Thursday, Tuesday and Sunday will be very important for you. And in terms of romance, as I've told you, that you're likely to get into relationships with people much younger than you. And the rising sign or the moon sign or the sun sign by the Indian method of course, is likely to be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo and Aquarius. And the numbers which will play an important role, and the people who have these numbers in their date of births, like fate number or destiny number, they're going to be important. These numbers are 1, 4 and 9. Any number that adds to these 3 digits individually, you see, and the signs which I've given you will play a very important role in your life. Now the months of Jan, May, July and October, these seem to be very important in terms of relationship and affairs. And if I were to tell you that in terms of your career, you will be doing rather well after the month of August. The latter part of August is good, and May, July and September, as I told you, seem to be good. But the colors which you should use, there is a divided opinion amongst the best numerologists of all time. Cairo would just want you to restrict to the orange family, I mean the fire family, not the orange family, sorry, using flame, gold, yellow, copper. That is why I have worn this color, for showing you the exact color which will give you success in this particular year. If many people are not fond of wearing this color, because not many people are able to carry off the vibrations of the color yellow very easily, and they're not comfortable wearing this color, then I will suggest have some color or dash of flame. Either if you're wearing coats, then you can just use it in your pocket or Even you can use it in your kerchief or your tie. Other set of colors which are given by another prominent numerologist by the name of Isidore Kosminski is yellow, orange and gold. He says that you can combine these colors and they will give you good results. Of course, Balliet also is, Dow Balliet is also talking about the color flame, but Seferial has a very different take on the colors. He adds and says the color red is important. I wouldn't disagree with this because the rising sun is red in color. And secondly, if you look at the scheme of colors, Vib Gyor, R is at the bottom. Bottom is the feet. Your feet are always warm and your head is always cool. So the head is ruled by the violet spectrum and the feet are ruled by the color red. So if you use a dash of red in your color, red not only represents Mars, but it represents the fire element, it represents the sun also. So I have no objection, and use some kind of copper in your life, on your desk table, or wear it somewhere to draw in good vibrations for having good physical health also. Copper is said to have antibacterial effects also, and during this corona time, if you drink from copper water stored in copper containers or copper glasses, or wear this copper bangle like me, because Mars and Sun both are connected with this element, and if you have a deficiency of copper in your body, this will also help you. So I look forward to you beginning a new kind of journey in your life in this annual number 1 vibration, a journey of new beginnings, and many of you are going to be leaders in whatever you do, because 1 is the number of authority and leadership. And those people amongst you who are born in the first 10, 19, 28th of the month and are running their 28th year, 19th year, 37th year, 46th year, 55th year, 64th year, 73rd year and so on, will find it to be a most eventful year with so much happening, and a lot of good things will happen. So all the very best and wish you a very happy new year.